How to transfer from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer from Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account. Now the process itself is simple, so let me guide you through. Now in order to convert or transfer from your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account, I'll be using this reference here. First, you want to open your Coinbase wallet on your mobile device and then tap on send. Enter the amount you would like to transfer, select the supported coin and tap next. After that, you want to select. When prompted to enter the address you would like to send to, tap Coinbase and follow the remaining steps to complete your transfer. Basically, there are prompts, and now if you didn't receive a verification code to complete the transfer, you can troubleshoot your two-step verification as well. Now there is a note here, as you can read. If you prefer not to link your accounts, you can also transfer crypto manually between coinbase.com and Coinbase wallet. You simply have to copy your crypto address from the destination account you wish to send to and paste it in the address field when sending crypto. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.